It's fine, just close your eyes.
Hold her hand.
Yeah. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay, until open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Isabella. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow, bell. Make a wish. 9. Make a wish.
I will spin it closer. There you go.
One
One more. Yay! Birthday.
Of course, I don't want to give you any idea.
Saan sa sali?
Si Lolo, ayun o. Si Video, Lolo.
Lolo,
Si Lolo.
Nagbubukas na ng gift agad.
Si Lolo, naka-smile.
Binidyo ko na kasi lolo, kaunang-unahan nga siya.
Okay na tayo.
Wow.
Nandiyan na yung ano, Keita.
Nandiyan na.
Kain tayo.
Just pause it. Just pause it. You pause it.
Itong floor.
Taas na pala yun, no?
Yan.
Papakintabin na po yan. Pero siya na po yan, random po.
Ay kasi
Miguel! Pauwi mo si Sabi. Naalala ko lang dito.
Lilipat sa puno ng kalachuchi. 300k ko.
Parang nakakalito nga ito namin.
Oh,
Use this pork.
for the pork.
Pagaling natin ang takip. Kasi baka sila, umali ka. So, dahil isang plato sa kutsara lang yan. Wala mo.
Dude, what is it?
Wala na.
Sa Australia na pag dumalaw siya.
July. Nakapakasunod na.
July?
Wala first. Second run drop to. Ito okay lang.
Igo, hug mamo. We're going to Macas. Hug mamo.
Next year ulit, Mamo.
Next year.
Kiss Lola. But I also want to buy a bike. She said she should have it.
Ah, I didn't have it.
Forgot?
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Igo, who made you cry? Tita Mimi.
Nita Mimi made you cry on your last day
Yeah.
in the Philippines.
Tomorrow
She
pa.
made you cry. Ray! Yes. Blue.
Oh, just only blue. Nothing. Oh, you have two steps. Only one step. What?
Alam ko rin siya.
Yeah, I got you.
Alin? Ito.
Yeah.
Ice pie.
Order ka talaga, Igo. Tell Tita Tem, ha? She's the one organizing the order. Igo, tell Tita Tem.
Flower.
I said tree. It's a type of tree.
Stop saying your answers.
You like that?
Tree is a living thing. And if you say no, and you eat it.
Ew, you touched it.
Oh, bark. You just eat the bark.
Yeah.
What's the capital of Jamaica? Big.
Yeah, I already saw it.
Yung projector.
Project ko dyan ilalagay sa gilid. Mas labas tayo. Christmas na ano.
Christmas.
Oo, pwede rin dito. Pag
Parang
nandito
ilaw.
Ah, siya
Ganun.
Hindi ka na isa lang. Tama, andito tayo. Pwede natin din yan.
Saan ilalagay? Sa dyan, no? Sa
Meron.
Kaya parang si Bising-asing ang amoy doon, ano? Pag binili mo ngayon yung pitong lapad. Ang presyo.
So, ano ito? I think kitchen.
Isang taon siya mag-dito. Ilang months na to? 10 months?
Bayaran yung monthly bill nyo.
Yeah.
I love you! I love you all!
Hindi, yung, no, kasi wala pay kung ano lang tayong bagpas.
Eh, nasaan yung magdadrive? Naka-duster. Yang ka na?
Ganyan talaga mapapasok.
Dad, did you bring out?
Ang init sa legs eh.
Dad, did you
Yeah,
bring
lightning cord, yes. Ang init. Paalam na kay Lolo. Nasaan? Totoo ba? Saan nga? Ano sa bodega?
Ayaw kayong makita, nagtatago.
Ay, lungkot naman kasi talaga eh.
Goodbye.
See you next year, Lolo.
see you when I have no bags?
Next year ulit. Next year.
Ayun na. Hintayin nyo naman ako, umiyak. Hindi naman.
Wala yung umiiyak. Ikaw, hindi ka pa iyak mamaya na. Igo, let's go!
Di ba nasa unahan? Malaki ka eh.
Asa ka nang naka?
Kami apat.
Ano to?
Dad, where's my bag?
It's already there.
Babay.
I mean,
McDo, matcha, McFlurry.
Makda. Okay. Love you.
gusto ko chicken nugget, fries, cheese.
Oo na, lak na.
Hey!
Uy, diet.
Go without us.
We'll eat McDo at the airport if you want.
Okay.
Oh! Ay, ay!
Uy, ay!
Ay! Sorry, ate! Sorry, te! Sorry! Sorry! Sorry!
Louder! Louder! Gusto mo umiyak, hindi magawa. Bye, guys!
Bye, Dubai.
We love you!
Bye, Dubai.
Bye, Japan.
Bye!
Bye, all!
Bye, Philippines.
See you next next year.
Ano ba? Nasa casino si Miguel. Ayan, di na tayo matatrap ng baha.
Nabilang din yung tempo lang nag-ano, diba? Nagating ka on.
Oo, is yung bumaha.
Bye, Lot!
Bye, Lord. I realize.
Ay, Tempa Terminal 3. Tama, tama.
Buisit ka, dahil layo nang iikutan natin. Naman yung asawa niya. I love you.
Oh,
I love
OFW.
Ay, ang lungkot naman. Nakaiyak sa ibang pamilya. Pwede bang sa atin muna?
Isa lang ba? Okay na?
Let me see.
Isa na ako ba kayo sa bro?
Sige, isa pa. Yes.
Love you, kuya. I love you. I love you, kuya. Love you.
See you next year.
Pamilya mo, ah.
Love you.
Can I push my
See you next year.
Ouch.
See you next year. Love you.
I love you, boy.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo, ha?
Dad, can I put
Bye-bye. I love you.
my bag here?
No, Ben. Bye-bye.
Can I put my bag there?
Yes. You do this, ha?
Wait, Dad.
Bye-bye.
Dad, how about you put your bag here and I put my bag here?
No, Ben.
Ticket for a flight, sir?
Ah,
It's a Qantas.
ah. Here you go, let's go. Isabel, have you noticed my backpack has that? That's why it can be inserted there. This one does not have.
Oh, that's why.
Mami, kaliwa.
But Dad, I want to put my bag.
Sige na, it's fine. Sorry. What is he doing? Follow me. QF20. Ay, hindi ko nakita. Teka, nawala eh. QF20 Qantas. Ayun. Anong counter? C0815. C. Let's go. C8 to 15. Sa kabilang side, sa C. Kids.
Hi, Tita Pam.
Who else?
Tita Mimi.
Yes, who else?
Mama Chick.
Mama Chi also. How about who else?
Tita Tem.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the camera and say hi to all of them.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Next year yung dalawa.
What you doing?
I'll give them the power hug.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. That's where we arrived, Belle.